Number 1. Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker. If you want the ultimate smoking experience in your backyard, the Masterbuilt 40-inch Digital Electric Smoker is the way to go. With its impressive 970 square inches of cooking space, you can easily smoke a variety of meats and vegetables to perfection. The digital control panel makes it a breeze to set your desired temperature and cooking time, giving you complete control over the smoking process. The patented side wood chip loader is a game changer, allowing you to add wood chips without losing heat or smoke. This means you can continuously infuse your food with rich, smoky flavor without any hassle. The 4 chrome-coated smoking racks provide plenty of room to smoke multiple items at once, making it perfect for hosting BBQ parties. The adjustable smoke damper lets you control the smoke levels, giving you the flexibility to customize your smoking experience to your liking. The low and slow smoking method results in juicy and tender meats, while the generous cooking surface area makes it versatile enough to smoke anything from ribs to vegetables. What I love most about this smoker is its ability to consistently maintain the perfect temperature throughout the cooking process, resulting in deliciously smoked food every time. The only downside is that it can be a bit bulky to move around, but the pros definitely outweigh this minor inconvenience. If you want to take your backyard BBQ game to the next level, the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker is the best choice for you. Check it out and start smoking like a pro. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best electric smokers. If you did, please show your support by giving